kids are not at home and you are hungry, you can make your own healthy snack. Let us make a healthy sandwich.
Take 2 slices of bread. Take a slice of cheese. Mmm, healthy and tasty.
Then put 2 tomato slices on top of the cheese.
Then take some cucumber slices, put it on your cheese.
Then put the other slice of bread on top. Your veggie sandwich is ready. Please try it at home.
If you like our videos, please press the like button and give us a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and do not forget to press the bell button.
If you have any comments or suggestions for us, do write your comments below. Keep watching.